people that you know are there for you, that are always going to support you, and that have your best interest in mind.
There's up and down moments. Sometimes there's ugliness in it and sometimes there's beauty, and there's no denying that really, family is a very important aspect to most people's lives.
I believe you choose your family, and in my case, I have found all of these people little by little throughout my life. We don't have to speak every day to know that we're there for each other.
Family are people that you feel so comfortable being yourself with that you don't need to put on any kind of pretense. You don't need to impress. You just feel like you're home when you're with them.